Hello. In this 5-minute short videos, I am trying to cover basic aspects of any stock market. What is stock market and share market? Why it is not called as a share market? Why it is called as a stock market? These are synonymously used interchangeable terms which refers to financial equities, specifically securities that denotes ownership in a company. Why it is called as securities? Because they comes in a promissory note. Just like a bond paper, they used to give a promissory note. That's why earlier they used to be called as stock certificates. In the previous days, in olden days, when you want to buy and sell, you have to give this certificate and buy that certificate. Now everything is becoming electronic, which is called a dematerialized. These are in electronic format for easy, early and better transactions. Share is also called as equity because each shareholder is an equal owner in that company where it has been invested. It may be a partial ownership in the company. It may be listed. Listed means a publicly traded. It may be listed or non-listed. If it is non-listed, they are called as unlisted or primary market. Listing, which are traded on the stock exchanges, they are called as listed or publicly traded company. Because shares can be of various variety. For example, preferential share. A preferential share is the one in which shareholder will get the preference when the company goes for bankrupt and it needs to be bailed out. These shareholders will be given the first preference to take back their investment. In contrast, the equity shareholders, whenever company goes for a loss, you will also bear the loss. If company goes bankrupt and company is closed, you will be losing the money. Whereas in preferential shareholders, company will sell its assets and gives money back to these preferential shareholders. Usually the heavy investment people will go for preferential shares. Bonds are the type of financial instrument given by the companies in which there is a definite or a fixed amount of interest rate for the investment. Whereas debentures, it's a type of bonds in which the investment shown on the balance sheet of the company as a negative. It's a debt-ridden investment by the company. That's why they called as debentures. Then what is stock market? The place where these stocks get exchanged from one person to another person, one investor to another investor, they are called as stock exchanges. Where is any kind of or various kind of stocks or the shares can be exchanged. They are NSE, BSE, Kolkata Stock Exchange, Chennai Stock Exchange. There are many like this. However, most of the trade takes place in the NSE and BSE. Both are located in Mumbai. They are popularly traded. Even you have a GIFT Stock Exchange, which is situated in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, in which you can trade the stocks which are trading in US markets. American market stocks can be traded in the GIFT Stock Exchange. Can I trade in both? Both means listed and unlisted. Yes, you can trade in both listed and unlisted. But stock markets or publicly listed companies are traded under SEBI regulations, which tries to maintain company activities transparent. SEBI is a Stock Exchange Board of India, a regulatory authority. Whenever there is a public fund is involved, public money is involved, to safeguard the public, government will establish boards. One among it is SEBI, RBI, which regulates the banking, APMC, which regulates agriculture product sale and purchase, so that buyer and seller trades can take place smoothly and without any controversy or without any troubles for both of them. So this is for today. Then we'll see next class other things.